Hello everyone, it's me again. This is Nelson Robles of Training System 2. We're gonna be doing now installing a DHCP service. So now we're just gonna do the same thing that we always done before. We're gonna click add a feature, we're gonna click on net, we're gonna remote base, we select whatever the fuck we're on there. We select DHCP server, add features, we click on net, we click on net again. And after we do all that, let me just go real quick back to the reference manual just to make sure that I'm doing everything correctly. I'm not freaking doing anything. Get row base, nets. Next, we come to the super server. Okay, blah, 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 blah. We know that. Restart it if you need to. We click on yes, we click on install. And this is it, guys. This is how you install a DHCP service on Windows Server. So see you guys in the next one, and thank you very much for watching. Oh, this was a short one, 1 minute. Very good. We can probably wait a little bit, so it's a little bit longer. It's that's good enough for now. So see you in the next one.